Few days ago, I put out a message on social media asking for people's experience with pollution in our cities. And I received thousands and thousands of messages. I want to read out some of them to you. Neeraj from Ghaziabad. I'm only in my 30s and my body already feels older than my age. Years of stress took their toll, but what truly breaks me is what I see at home. Every morning, when I take my daughter to school and hear her coughing, I feel like I'm failing as a father. My mother is a kidney transplant patient. For us, winter is not a season, it is fear. AQI touches 800 to 1000, and we live every day praying that no one's health collapses. We are now talking about giving up everything we built, our dreams, our startup, our child's future in this city, just to breathe. Imagine that, leaving your life behind, not for opportunity, but for oxygen. Is clean air now a privilege in India? Only for those who can afford to escape? Every government has failed us on pollution, and the price is not paid in reports or speeches. It is paid by our children's lungs, by our parents' bodies, by families like mine, who are forced to choose between survival and dreams. We don't want sympathy, we just want air that slowly doesn't kill us. Pranab Dua, जयपुर. भाई साइकिलिंग करना छोड़ दिया है, रनिंग करना छोड़ दिया है, घर से बाहर जाने से पहले AQI चेक करते हैं. I think government should start making footpaths before highways. लोग चलने लगेंगे तो 1% pollution तो वैसे ही कम हो जाएगा. I also asked people if they have any interesting suggestions. And here is Viritika Lade from Pune. She's in the 10th grade. India's air pollution crisis demands immediate practical and science-based solutions. Government must enforce emission norms on industries, construction sites and vehicles, expand public transport through electric buses. A rapid transition to renewable energy, such as solar and wind, is essential to reduce reliance on coal-based power plants. Instead of penalizing farmers, provide them with alternative waste management facilities, modern machinery and financial incentives. Urban planning must prioritize green spaces. Stop destroying forests. Most importantly, policymakers must rely on scientific data and expert advice rather than political rhetoric. I'm sure these stories have resonated with many of you. It's about time the government allows a discussion in Parliament about pollution, and the Prime Minister should declare air pollution as a national health emergency. The financial and healthcare burden being forced on our people as a result of the pollution is extremely dangerous and needs to be resolved. We need to all come together and develop a serious plan. Governments across the country, chief ministers, the Prime Minister, the national government, and we need to make sure there's enough money in the budget to tackle this problem.